Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm participating in yet another challenge. This one is being hosted by Daveda Lane, and I'll put a link to her channel down below. It is called Christmas in July DIY, and I'll also put a link to the playlist down below once it's available. Daveda asked us to come up with a Christmas DIY for the month of July so that we could get ready for the upcoming holiday season several months in advance. So I hope you like what I come up with. Stay tuned. This is a box of holiday cards that I got on sale at Target, I believe, after Christmas last year. As you can see, it had a clearance price of $4, and it's a pretty sturdy box. And here's the other side. This is actually the lid. You can see it says Merry and Bright, 12 holiday cards, and a keepsake box. Hopefully I can get that label off. And then here's what the bottom of it looked like. I think it was originally $12 and I got it for $4 or something like that. Maybe it was a little more than that because I think I got it when I was 75% off. Or maybe it was an additional discount off of this price, but I know it wasn't more than $4. Anyway, I am going to try to make something out of this box after I take the cards out. So here's what the box looks like once the cards have been removed. And I did manage to get the label off of the lid to the box very easily. It came right off, fortunately, so it didn't rip any of the paper. And now I am going to use this box to make a floral arrangement. The first thing that I have done is place some floral foam into the box. And as you can see, I have used this foam several times before, but you can reuse it until it starts to fall apart. This one's also been reused quite a bit, although not as much. So this one I may turn them both over so that the least used side is up. And you could stick those down. You could use some museum putty or some hot glue, but I don't think I'll need to do that for this craft. Okay, so as you can see in this shot, and I've taken one of the blocks out so you can see a little better, I have taken these white roses, which I've used in many of my video displays. I got them at Walmart in the spring, and they have turned out to be very versatile. I may go back and see if I can find some more. There were 7 on one stem for like $3. So, and then I've just poked them into the styrofoam block. And then I started to do the same thing with this other styrofoam block. And I'll show you how I did it very easily. I'm just going to poke it in here. And then I'll arrange the petals. And then I have just taken the last 2 roses here, and they're just sitting loose in the box between the 2 styrofoam pieces. But they're held in place nicely by the 2 that are in the blocks. And I've done the same on the other side. So now there's a look at the whole arrangement. To show you also that if you didn't want to use the lid as a decorative piece, you could also just put the lid underneath the box, and it would add an additional bit of color down at the bottom of the box. So you don't have to have it displayed off to the side of the box or in a separate area. But I think I'm going to take this piece and put it on a little cake stand or a little easel and display it next to the box when I do put it out at the holidays. One other thing I'd like to point out is that this piece could be very versatile because it has these red and white diagonal stripes on it. If you used it without the lid of the box, you could display this for Valentine's Day. You could also use it for Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Labor Day. any holidays that you have that have red and white decor associated with them. So it doesn't just have to be for Christmas, although if you were to display it with the cover, of course, it would be considered a Christmas display item. But even if you just set it in like this, and you were using a pale blue in your patriotic decor, this would tie in nicely and no one would ever know that it's a Christmas item. If you liked my DIY project, which I'm holding right here, please give me a big thumbs up down below and let me know in the comments if you think you'll do a project like this for your holiday decor. And please be sure to check out the other participants in this challenge. I'm sure you'll get lots of creative ideas for the upcoming holiday seasons. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below and also hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. I post videos at least every Tuesday and Thursday, and often more frequently than that, on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.